But first, understanding the CDC's new mask guidance. Health experts are saying hold on to your mask and do not throw caution to the wind. This is Eyewitness News at 5, and we are streaming live on CBS in Philly. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia. Yesterday's announcement by the CDC that masks are no longer needed for people who are fully vaccinated took many of us by surprise. And since that announcement, companies, businesses, and schools are trying to figure out if they should change their guidelines to fit with the CDC's. We have team coverage this evening. Dan Koob is live at the Link, where an in-person graduation ceremony is about to make history. And we start with health reporter Stephanie Stahl, is breaking down who needs to wear a mask. So, Steph, this is a little confusing for us.
It's a lot confusing. For example, the state of Pennsylvania has already adopted the new CDC guidance, but in Philadelphia, masks are still mandated inside. So it's best to keep your mask handy because they are still being required in many locations.
I feel liberated.
That might be a little premature. Pennsylvania has already adopted the CDC guidance that fully vaccinated people don't need to wear masks, along with a number of counties. But they're still required in Philadelphia inside, also at Giant, CVS, and Home Depot. So taking off my mask isn't entirely up to me. That's right, because many businesses and municipalities are still reviewing the CDC update. That includes New Jersey.
If you're in a business or a public setting, we're not there yet. We're frankly not there yet.
More than 118 million people in the U.S. are now fully vaccinated and are safe without masks. But we still have a third of the country not vaccinated, and children under 12 are not vaccinated. Is that a concern?
Yes, I think it's very important for us to continue vaccinating.
Jeffrey Morris is the director of biostatistics at the University of Pennsylvania.
The vaccines aren't just reducing severity of disease, but they clearly are protecting against infection and reducing transmission.
But there's no way to tell who's vaccinated.
Everyone should just keep wearing their mask, because maybe people can lie and say, I got vaccinated, and then they really didn't just because they don't want to wear their mask.
And there's one more thing to consider. The vaccines are not 100% effective. 8 people with the New York Yankees who are fully vaccinated have tested positive.
What we're seeing about those infections is that they tend to have a lower amount of virus. They tend to be asymptomatic. They tend to be mild.
Now, health officials say being outside without a mask is safe for everyone, but children under 12 and people who are not vaccinated should be wearing masks in crowds of strangers and when they're inside. And we just got word Delaware will be lifting its mask mandate on May 21st to follow those CDC guidelines. Yuki?
Okay, Stephanie, thank you for the update.